Dandruff can be embarrassing, and it's more common than most people think. As many as 50% of people have dandruff in some form, and the way some people try to treat it can actually make the condition worse. Good medical morning, I'm Watson, and today we're going to try to destigmatize dandruff. Let's look at some examples of dandruff while I tell you a little bit about it. And stick around because we'll also cover some treatment options. Adam and I started our online career over a decade ago, and we started making videos full-time about 5 years ago. We quickly learned that people like to see extreme medical conditions, and we also learned that there was a stigma against a lot of these conditions. That's why we decided to make a series of videos destigmatizing conditions that really shouldn't be embarrassing or offensive. And today's topic is dandruff. So, what causes dandruff? First, researchers will say that dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis aren't caused by bad hygiene, it isn't contagious, and it won't necessarily harm the body. That's according to everydayhealth.com. They also say that it may be hormone or immune system related. Before I continue, comment below if you've had dandruff before. Don't be shy. Here is some important information about treatment. Most dandruff responds to dandruff shampoos, and of course it's important to follow the instructions on the label. There are 5 main kinds of dandruff shampoos available over the counter. Zinc-based shampoos such as Head & Shoulders reduce the Malassezia fungus that may be on your scalp. Salicylic acid shampoos. These products, which include Neutrogena T-Sal, can help eliminate scales but may dry the scalp. Tar-based shampoos, which include Neutrogena T-Gel, slow down the rate of skin flaking, kill fungus, and reduce inflammation. If you use a shampoo that contains coal tar, it may discolor light-colored hair and make your scalp more sensitive to sunlight. Selenium sulfide shampoos. These shampoos may reduce Malassezia and reduce flaking of the skin. Selenium sulfide shampoos can also discolor light-colored or dyed hair. Ketoconazole shampoos. These products, which include Nizoral, kill fungus and are available both over the counter and by prescription. So there you go. Please share if you've had dandruff. Let's destigmatize a rather common medical problem. Now let's hear about my favorite sleep supplement, Restmore. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Restmore. Restmore is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Restmore, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Restmore is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.